Good Wednesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Zurich visiting with meteorologist Sramek at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, a lot of temperatures primarily in the 50s this morning.
Yeah, Joe, we're starting out here this morning. We got dew point depressions that are actually less than 5, which means we could see some patchy fog out there. We got winds that are pretty much light. They're from a southeast direction at either 5 miles per hour. We got Oberlin, Norton, and Hill City reporting calm winds, and there's ample moisture in the air. So we probably have some patchy fog out there in McCook, Oberlin, Norton, and Hill City. We got a little bit of more breeze out to the west on the Colorado line in Burlington and Goodland, where it's from the southwest at around 10 miles per hour, and temperatures are ranging from 50 degrees there in Burlington, 49 in Lyman. We got 53 in Colby and 57 in McCook and Oberlin. This afternoon, we're going to see temperatures climb into the upper 70s, maybe hitting at 80 degrees. Those southeast winds will continue at 5 to 15 miles per hour, and that'll keep the moisture in the air. And then we've got a disturbance that'll come out of Colorado this afternoon. A line of thunderstorms is expected to develop all the way from maybe the Canadian border into eastern Colorado, and then that'll work its way to the east-southeast slowly this evening. Those storms, when they're out there in Colorado, could have some large hail, damaging wind, maybe even a few isolated tornadoes. And then as they reach the Kansas-Colorado border around that 7 o'clock and move through this evening, there could still be some severe weather, especially there at the beginning before the sun sets. And then maybe we'll see some decent and locally heavy rainfall as that thing moves through. Computer models are suggesting we could see 1.5 inch type rainfall amounts across the area. And that would be something that we could add on top of stuff that we've seen over the last 7 to 10 days. As we continue to move on through this week, the active weather pattern looks like it'll continue with just about daily chances each day. As far as the severe weather goes, tomorrow we'll have another severe weather threat later in the afternoon and evening. It lessens on Friday, and then for Saturday and Sunday, it'll pick up again. We'll see temperatures warming up and the threat for severe weather coming back. Tonight's low will be in those lower 50s, and tomorrow we'll see a high temperature a little bit cooler than today, around 76. We'll continue with them east or northeast winds around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Got those afternoon and evening thunderstorms once again. On Friday, even cooler. We'll go lower 70s with overnight lows in those lower 50s, and then warming back up into the 80s on Saturday, heading towards 90 on Sunday. And then we're going to look early next week. It looks like Monday, Tuesday could be a couple dry days with temperatures up there around 90 degrees. So we could be seeing the warmest temperatures that we've seen in a while. And then just looking further down the road, it looks like we could see some more thunderstorms middle to late next week. And long-range models are suggesting that we might start seeing drier and warmer weather as we head towards the middle of the month.
Once again, that's Ag Meteorologist Sramek at Decision Weather in Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Zurich.